It's been several months since I made a demonstration about Junior's obsession with the vacuum. Like most dogs. I don't actually mind him doing this because I don't want to take away from his drive of a working dog, but I do want to control it and turn it on and off as I need it for him. So here's a quick demonstration on how he gets excited when I turn the vacuum on or if I touch it. And then afterwards I show you what he will do when I control him with how I want him to be. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get ready to touch the vacuum. So he gets just excited without even turning it on. Good. Alright, and then I'm going to turn it on. Open it up. Good boy. Same thing. There you have it. Free.